This video demonstrates how you can find complete LinkedIn company details using a LinkedIn company URL. It highlights how LinkFinder AI enriches company data to provide valuable insights for your sales and marketing efforts. Click the first link in the description of this video, which will redirect you to the LinkFinder AI website. Switch to the LinkFinder AI website to begin your data enrichment process. Click Start Free Trial to create a free account and get started. Select the data type from options including company name, company domain, email address, and LinkedIn company URL. Choose LinkedIn company URL as the data type to enrich company profiles. Click to select the output type, such as LinkedIn profile data or employee count. Choose LinkedIn profile data as the output type to receive detailed company information. Click the field to enter the LinkedIn company URL for the company you want to enrich. Enter the LinkedIn company URL into the input section to specify the target company. Click Enrich Data to start scraping the LinkedIn profile for the specified company. Click on the company name to view all the enriched data, including company details and location. Click Upload CSV Bulk to upload a file containing multiple LinkedIn company URLs for batch processing. Click Select File to choose the CSV file from your device containing LinkedIn company URLs. Click Process 14 items to enrich all LinkedIn company URLs listed in the uploaded CSV file. Click Export to download the enriched company data as a CSV file. Click API Access to explore programmatic options for data enrichment. Click here to view the API documentation for integrating LinkFinder AI with your applications. Click B2B Data Lookup to access the API for business-to-business data retrieval. Click LinkedIn Company to LinkedIn Info to view the API call for retrieving LinkedIn company information. Click the example curl command showing how to make a post request with your API key and LinkedIn company URL to retrieve data.